Today's house we love is in the historic area of Jerzu, which is one of the most beautiful villages on the island of Sardinia. It's well known for the production of the traditional Cannnonau wine, and it's only 15 kilometers from the coast. This is an ideal location for beach lovers, because once at the coast, you'll have a wide selection of beaches, coves, and caves to explore within an hour or so, including the famous Cala Goloritze, which was recently named the most beautiful in the world and is only accessible by a private boat or boat tour. There are also endless activities for nature lovers in this area, including hiking and biking, as well as fairy houses, waterfalls, canyons, and grottoes. It's also very near the mountainous area nicknamed the Dolomites of Sardinia, which is virtually unknown to tourists and like stepping back in time. This house has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, as well as the perfect-sized veranda off the main living area, which provides additional alfresco living space and wonderful views of the town and surrounding area. It's in excellent condition and full of character, with wooden beam ceilings, ceramic tile floors, wooden shutters and doors, a fireplace and a traditional outdoor oven. It's truly move-in ready and on the market for just €75,000. If you're undecided about where to buy in Italy, we're pretty sure you'll be impressed with this part of Italy. We recently bought a house in this province, which is called Nuoro, and are continually amazed by how stunningly beautiful it is and how much we felt welcome to the community. If you'd like to move forward on this house or have any questions, please contact the realtor directly. A link to their original listing can be found in the video notes below. Finally, thank you to everyone for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing, and welcome to all of our new subscribers. We'll be back again soon with more Italian homes for sale under €150,000.